and the Deputy Majority Leader, Madam Patricia Appiagyei. Mama, my main thrust here with the pressing issue at hand, MPP more crossroad, away just. But before that, constituency. Now no man for fresh now I say because me frail before election Eddie a can be an edda actually here sign I think it's done.
Yes.
And
I know you think it's done.
Yeah. So it's done. Why are they? Because maybe almost go be at the end ya boy a baby but why are they? For now minim say for now squad the almost major part of the area. Baby I can say a year boost area hall baby and then ufri hall call Zoom lion.
Now boss to work on say.
Me fa wache. I want so my
Omuguso.
Oh, I see.
Say kura de ba na nkrofo office e betwa so keke de.
Okay.
But say omuhu say e be kaka.
What the bitumi ankasa beguso.
Yes.
I see. So what are the areas how did this aka constituency no omunya complete we are say you are done?
Yes, my first one they be better ka ho asem ya na say me be ka ho asem enya hiso.
Okay.
It was the first project government of Ghana
yeah.
But unfortunately we've gone far though.
Yeah.
Gutters. Say I cut the bridges. Not yet to me abaso movie. The one of the major roads what that particular area. Okay. Because the area is surrounded by rivers. And because of that initially nankensuoto anka ntimi ngura. Ntimi natimu engura wufi.
I see.
Usuoto anadwo a waka asueja. Oh, you can come. Enti say dear yetumi aye. Yasa shasia ye bridge the main bridge connecting the intimate ko Sawia road no.
Yeah.
Say eno mu gusu a wo mo ye ndendende. Enti me mpa bo ne say yasa asie ye de bewie. Ye hwe the inner roads of Ahensai.
Yeah.
And the inner roads of Kasi.
Sure.
One of the areas. So yes, ye Kumasi inner roads in Yunadia. Yeah. Area Aka was ye near ye. A slide, new site. A small portion be.
Okay.
But I know Nina Yama. Enche, Bebaso, Baba Juma. One challenging area, Kuwait, because I heard your friends a new site. Atonsu, Kuwait. OT.
Yeah.
Aprabomode, woman, say Edem. These two areas, are there back one, and Ramsey, and Chapatre Estates. A holding in Amo. Yedi bebre ama ye babere
landfill site since what time as mayor and our money ye babe ye na ye generate power ye babe ye na ye niam ebisinde ade
say they say the
got a point in time
the commission.
Yes, but the purpose and a person can do even when you became deputy environment minister yeah say you be innovative area but still we the Zoom live acquire was at the Jahon year. If you are not still, we've not been able to.
Yes, these things they highly capital intensive.
Really?
And you need an investor. My time there was an investor.
Okay.
But unfortunately, I don't know what happened after I left. I didn't see But I strongly believe we said. Na said Crawford ye woman near my or no ye Trump card the Koji BB with the crew.
Okay.
Yes, some of these things do happen.
I see.
Because never no or no officer adeɛ wei ne yɛbɛyɛ de ama na but wonya international image na afei wonya support from the banks and this is highly capital intensive, but still I expect to say areas in nyinaa especially baby the positive effluent. We will get a lot of energy from that one. It is sad when you know. As I now so the cost implication. And because the transmitters would always want to use it. It's almost person who say cost effective. As at the price no ton electricity at this point in time. It's a new project like that, cost analysis
the outcome
the outcome no much, and I believe that was even what happened the first time and I'm who says get on to me for na meeti or no kwaji busia or bank kra me meeting the debt schedule. These are all the dynamics I know sometimes a project is told, but very important is that you better how to convert these things into either electricity, manual, or whatever will be useful. I know, sir, currently one of the useful business I come out of these waste management, plastics, and a manual. Idea be a no dear me who say near Brepa,
I see. Why ye deputy majority leader, Yemra MPP in Ashanti region? Because party ni ho we ni ho.
No correct.
And very strategic position. You've been there before from KMA and or rise up to baby and Yamedo doing. Usi Kumasi a Kasanede. You were less than 8 months to election. The atmosphere, man for whom is MPP is gradually losing the touch. Only man for do near woman nina era. Adintra strategic project in Kumasi baby gusu yenye.
Yeah.
Wa emada wa Akoma so. Di KJT phase 2 Central Market edasusi ho. Several other projects human centered. Yeah, that's what it's so.
Adeba kwa bidi ya wo. And say entina ya president na ehia no pa say education should be the basic platform obia betumi a discerning on issues. Na bifi say ade si and say yatena ho ama nkrofo bi e de ebo bi atutu ye tirim. Ya anye ho hwe. Say obeka ya ne media for ya ne mushia. These are some of the things ye kan ho asem say yenhwe ne ye make sure say Sanyama we say no. A bit to me aboa. Say for the right information and go out there. What has happened during this particular MPP term of office? Adie bin si wi aseda. Bin si aban bia wabetena Ghana akonwa so epen. De bia ye kan because omunim say no krenti. Or say ya bre any COVID any your friend say war. Ukraine war. Russia-Ukraine war. But deliberate. Me who say idea a pobi on person omode to nipa trim e man nipa chance yes say omo kasa etia aban no because they see say aban no de say what the aban it now you are testifying to the fact that say before COVID the government was doing very well.
Okay.
Yes, but COVID the bar here with its challenges, with its cost issues, with its all other economy come to a halt for a period of time. Sanyama was in Munyan, it entailed some cost to be a bino until me recover fully from those things. And because of that, a holding back young projects na near Pessia. But whatever it is, I believe that at this point in time, and near maybe wa ya no right. Any set nipa din ni etwa anaya ma ya abuse your mind say MPP enye hwe ema asante man die oba obeye no o hyase o ye ne niema enten na watumi awie na watumi aye but sadie way by ama say ye titi e kapa but ohwa niema nso so ayaye so far there now if you are doing the costing there ni so tena wo ma obi ka kire wo say sabe MPP you will still only sika na yemfa enye adwuma bia
ewa Ashanti region
nya Ashanti region
across the
country. Okay. What I say Ashanti region eniema bi wo ho yeah when you take you do a measurement of cost, especially with the road network, with the hospitals, Niema, ya complete ya, you go so something has been done. You cannot dismiss the idea across BBN niwa akoso ewo ehase. Enti yetra ho amasa Niema ni nyina abom. Enti dia me fi say was ye say e was say ye kasa ma mani penhunu say ade na ye betumi aye but unfortunate situation of COVID and Russia war womo niema bi wo ho a nanka womo de maye on credit ni niema and we have to find hard currency to go and buy no sa niema we nyina na matter these challenges aba.
In 2024 December, whatever it is, so different government beba. Oshe back in Ashanti region. They are now very proud of. Say under MPP, when yet me aye.
Well, the road network.
Really?
Yes, I think it's a road network. Yeah, baby. My offense, you interest the health sector. The health sector so. Yeah, and near my even agenda 1111 no. And yet and near maybe the cost aspect of it. And by now most of
health
the
then the my region.
Met me I bought your friend is say so we are
so where you
what is even health center? What is holding it up now? Just the road network and Numpokra na aye operation.
But see in
what's it?
See in
but
it's not operational.
Ni bibia na make us operational no. It's the access road. Access road that ye de beko ho na ye make us say no already hu djuma.
The why must it take years? And say access road.
No na make us will say. You see, some of these things, you know, a bibia, yeah, when the source of funding.
Okay.
And some of these things, you know, because of what has happened, the catastrophe, I would say it's catastrophic because that sickness, na who be that, na kum for na edding. You bet to me, Yanya she kurambu kurano. Makachro say health sector as we speak now. What 3 different areas improve on the health sector. Had the midwifery at where from now. All those areas the midwifery
as a school.
as a school.
It has been existing that though.
What's it?
It
was almost non-functional because of the structures
Okay.
and everything that were existed in that particular school. But say I buy mommy yet me even intake of nurses, I am very high. Yes, sir, cray na me refi there were quite as
area
a ferry. Yes.
A ferry military hospital that is you.
Esi hɔ but
When
ɛho nneɛma nyinaa wɔ ɔbua me nka sɛ yɛ menye ni sɛ wakɔ hɔ
Mako.
wokɔ
A
hɔ
ferry
no.
is not working.
Yeah, it's not working. I'm not saying it's working.
Yeah.
But it took us a lot of resources to finish that one.
But it's not working,
but
Mama.
let me tell you one thing.
Let
me tell you. We left office. Na sikano ewo ho a yemfa nyɛ saa project. We came back and the project was under about 45%, 35 to 45% completed. Abra na ni sika the source of that, the Eurojet project. Sikana edawa na was a day.
At the time, I now warm Rashibidrum. Are you saying some more approval and our manpaneda that for Nedaho?
Nedaho? Yes.
Aerojet.
Koji aerojet sika aba. Edawa. In implementation near the free. Niemano estolia. And this is what we talk about. So Ashanti region. So mama yenyan twaso. Na ya nye all the projects na. Ebeba ebest told to say
Santiama mo 8 years.
Yes.
Mon fan tour project so. Afari yenyen.
Yeah.
Whatever baby I know also 45. Let's take that. 8 years on. Yenye. Motimi wi kuma tepa de mo konongo. Yeda mo wi be kwai.
Yeah.
For me na yenyen. For me na I'm aware said they are doing test running and operation. Kuma we is almost done.
Yes.
Yeah, well, several other projects. Moshe Agenda 111, Moshe 5 interchanges. These are all projects. KJTR Central Market Phase 2.
Yeah, when you are faced with a financial challenge, these are some of the things that can happen.
Mama Nkrana, do na because of Mrashibidwem to war. Can you say Nkran project? I hot it to say the Kumasi project. I hot it. Let's be sincere.
Let me ask you about which was that. Are you talking about
Spinters roads?
Yes, road.
Pokuya say China Mall, ho Odeba Kasua area. Omugusu yejuma.
Yeah.
Several other projects. Tema Omugusu yejuma. Obechebe. Interchange. Several projects were Accra.
Kumasi. Yes.
Kumasi project.
Yes. Yeah.
Konfanoche maternity block.
Yes.
Yejai.
Yeah.
Yes. Airport. Yejai. Enrechi no mabeshe send by June. Ombesa baby. Which the date ye share ye etwem. Central Market etwem. Several others, considering the yenye free Asante region,
yes.
And then cry 50-50.
Yeah.
Who do we need to tour? Who did say Kumasi near ye to ye one yenye, and one fast one yenye?
Media befi say, whatever it is, ye ne be amam. Because ye to Emma, sa project ye over you grow from project up to now, as we speak. Because you jumped through it was never done. Yes.
Grow from Jow man penny for year sort cutting our fresh. The government obetua so kakra atame samosapon a time obabe pj MPP nanado danko akofo adubai munko 8 years. The only input I cost here, Nana Moma Hene through Otum for. On secure, I think about 200 million cities or dollars. And a day, a board dining biso. Apart from that, project in the social.
Maybe catch you say, there is something fundamental here. The fundamental issue is what you have been faced with. Abanya NDC for buyer, they were not faced with any side fundamental issue. Now, come. So, you're faced with a crisis like that. Financial situation up to now. It is not an intention or our intention to ignore all these jobs. We are sure, say, all the monies are na ye hwehwe e de aye adwuma na nka sa particular jobs. Akoma so a ye pese ye. Even as we speak now, ye go so a ye hwehwe the resources. Ye de beba be ye adwuma no akopim say December ye beto aba.
Okay.
And no any say America say let's say 150 IDA facility edawa ye wasenka ye sent it to ye endorse as a parliament and suddenly rising as we speak. The new projects are eba. Some of them were Ashanti region. The tax your friends waivers na beboa ama yetumi aye niema no yentumi sa niema nyina ye de sorry wo parliament yentumi anye say ya as we speak ye wo enkrofo ayi ministers ya reshuffle wo mo asat na ye endorse wo mo ntimi nje all these things are challenges
ye adwuma
de hu ye
senior senso no nyina so mo enam
Davio ono de no, a minister.
Yes.
Into 1 year parliamentary approval.
Okay.
And sana wakwako yejuma. It is only those are elevated.
The new entrants.
New one. Free deputy airport. Omo die na aka. It was you to me at the yejuma. We are just hoping that there will be the need for a recall in parliament. You bet to me a matter near my way, but near the facility plans they far ahead that ye did be a juma ama nipa me sure say come December nipa any beso.
Into all backgrounds now no more kasa. Say Nigeria na MPP war at the time away mayor and everybody. But the only unfortunate situation was at your time demolition. But for me, I think it was the greatest thing that happens to Kumasi. Still yenye bi mu ene Kumasi etuabum basai what ye na wo share the succession I wanna be di wachi e wo Kumasi krudue mu ankasa nim say ya utafa kegitia nim say ya utafa ho a utwam hu ni say Kumasi krudue ya ankasa wo mse ya chechechim but greater Kumasi ankasa
be hu ni say ye fa ye road there ye ebia fine yenhwe ye hospitals ye bi kakra yensuo kra no ye hu adwuma. One aspect of life amagana for senka ye wa ho kire mu pa nka betubi a hayem pa ye nkwada school ko ya ne ye pese rubbish sade. But no na enegana and can tiemu na beba no nipa di nzabe gu ni ti de any hobby. It is one major source of financing and no abua ama sebe parents are relaxed but let's look at the management of the municipalities and the Metropolitan Assembly and no any ade baako a me feel say yenhwe Kumasi congestion na dey I think we accommodate too much so yeah dey emra to ho na nipa no dey eni say wotena ontena ho baby a eni say oye bibia emfata no ye make sure so this indiscipline from time immemorial ya ka ho asema
that's what me ye
what say
o Kumasi
yes but dey na ba here people
usa kopa achew
me mom dey I won't say me pa achew
Say you are almost almost
to about all that I was telling you, sir. Responsibility.
Yeah.
Say ube hunu so beto aba. Na wa making sure say the right thing is done. O man to aba dey dey see here. See abetena ha. E dey na see here. E wo Kumasi. Enua indiscipline na da ho ewom. Enti sabe yesu ene ye ban ene ye ne niema bi ayeye no. Ya yemfa ade ndu samento abanko ade a na ye de mento aba bra wontena se and rationalize the need for sanhye na ebetumi ama niema akoso de a emwayen. Enti Ghana se ade a ye no a ye de niema bi hihye ye tirim na ye de pagya ye ho no hunu se amanyosem eye me no wo mienu responsibility enye nipa na one man se onko parliament no nko a ena obehihye niema wo ompese wo beye o te ase wasi wo bo se me de meto abanti niema en fata nko na meye no eno emwa ye nyina wo se mo hu se ye de nhihye bi ba aye municipal na nhihye na eno na wo se ye di so eni se ye ni ayefa emra no eto yensem enti congestion na wo Kumase ne de ya ade hadwene but you wo say asokwa say yeah because of the road network na ya eno a release congestion kakra but me catch road say ya manage ni ye near my driver for ye the omo pa sadie no ebesan baby
high school junction
and
hall.
yes and sane mani nyina we need to manage it well. It is sane mani nyina nipa no wona ye ne mo ya de no ye ka o se me de evento abanti na de wo pese o ya na o ya emfata because be kasa me pese metie ya ne meto aba ma unti ma menye de me pe. I don't really get it. Eti nipa bi ye sade na wo tiana. No baka so onto aba ma because of that. Sade pa na misunu kosa na mum bi nkase bi wu onfa menko because sade na wo ye na e de how ene eba nti ya hyehyemra ye nimra no so. Niemfa emra no enye dwuma se de fata. Obi e betena kwa ho ato ade a bi ade na besi edwa wo ho hwe de esi wo Central Market edwa de nyina move on the road Akoma FM 87.9 yakoka mo se yanti ase those are the things that me feel say was say you making sure say ye nyina ye nya good conversation ye betumi ni nipa na kasa no mahunu se wo yie die nti na san hyehyɛ no wo ho na nyese be wayi untimi free wo krase ema so be die adwuma wo Ghana bra wo prepare na waba wo se ene ma mento ade wo street so na mo di co port ne eniema esi street so no aduane me mo me die sa ne ma de meka ho ase
ba wo nyini sa ben so ka ho because Central Market ni si we ya na yenye
no kwasam say
I don't know mumpushi wa mrase bedwam that whatever money aben hia no onkwaje no mfamra emma meye
eno de yegu so
ye besi ba ye hu
yegu so eniema na edin yes because one situation what is happening in Ghana along lines what is globally happening make I say last week IMF no my caution England about the situation. Anya Ghana hangwa no how no enti ade bia wo hwehwe aye dia mo bia se niema no emu ya emu odin enti eniema e wo se
na na do seska okurim ye tisika so kom de
media minim ade baako
yeah
Sani mani nyina sika yete so natural resources.
Exactly.
If you don't have the technology and you don't have the men or the plan to make sure so be processes ane mana entumi nyeyi na wiase afa na nyina wo draw investors from and obi a wa ho kire mu a e de na betimi asi media me masamba kwa make me say Ghana for mo pe se mu change abanya wo change a wo behu be na mom memfa nsangu tibium because abambia ni what say oye in line obetumi abesisa Ghana within 4 years abambia ni osa. It is what we have started struggling to make sure say ye be ye niema amana koso said that is what you have. That is what you have. And the microphone 2 foot long ma ni so na monya mo say sabe bibia say and say
one kasa wuni say MPP ni wa Asante Mantem so obema mpuntuo bi akoso. Unse edumre bi a politics you need to be deliberate.
Yes. About
developing a core base area.
Yeah.
Asante region here. Sincerely speaking, would you say MPP are buying any work?
Me feel say a need abakuri.
Yeah, sure.
Me sure about that. But the whole thing, the resources, the bayana, ye gusua, ye.
Woman, cream, I'm with
what's it?
So, I'm cream,
but me feel say,
I'm for cabbage,
foot run doors,
sir.
Me feel say a dozen.
Because
I was a do so. Yes.
Wow, because man me a tongue coaster would jumha some way a can ye or joma my brother or the doomsa ba wa bon we ni ma de incompetent and we be near baby.
There be no bia.
Yeah, dear, near dear.
Yeah, dear, a doomsay. But
your mama, you doomsa, yeah, dear, doomsay.
Yes, on 9. If you're 9 lang for Jumana,
my party is
yes, Casam.
Oh, really?
Yes, Casam. Because it's about money. The whole thing.
And your mama was about what?
Pardon?
Yeah, dear, about money. My mama was about what?
Oh, no, planning and organizing and making sure that you better add some other inputs into the, especially when President Kufuor, your friend say, Croy, your friend, we, yeah, a back count. And your friend say, and on say the engineer they are married in Abba. It's just to also solve those problems.
I marry by you, Cradum, so you're them cratching face.
Yeah, them, but in none because yes, Cassan. Yes, Cassan, but he will weather the storm.
Abani Niska.
Yeah, we will weather the storm. Yeah, you go so. Yeah, the son and say, I want it, yeah, baby, crack. Yeah, they bye, so. And then December, dear, may Bob by yes, say, me, mom, dear, my attitude, you know. Obi so obey idea, mammy, I mean, transit, I mean, say, oh, tro.
Okay.
Dear Mitras is me bompire, they are supporter, my dear Nabek.
But MP's more bread.
Yeah, bread and tin and Crawford to me,
blame me as pressure, nay, defending it in all ways.
But let me tell you, one of the things in this, it is making it look like Yankasa by Yakasapa. Yakasapa. Nakasa, you know, the baby about
Mokasapa.
Ye kasa papa. And they won't even kasa Ashanti MPs ye
because you shut down whom together say more champion because yet yana Greater Accra MPs before this recent parliament budget la General Hospital. Yeah. The first government said on pisk over $260 million US. Now on pharmacy and Sana they approved the budget.
Yeah.
They pushed it.
Yes.
It worked.
Why is it so?
But I didn't Asante region
and America
collective voice.
We do all those things. Yeah, starting your friend says I interchange here. You need a break, yeah, the buy. Says cake in this ye trebia mobia. Ye trap. Yes, where Yakakra, Nti we famfara.
Unfortunately, sugar near dear, flour near dear, good one near 50.
Yes, eso. But at the same time, so obia so enya kakra eno ebeye because ofa your friend is Greater Accra in general. And then MPP abai etumi ayebe. If they are pushing for law, you would ya start ya kwaji sika ya de ba other places like the Eurojet project in the name. Yes, Hannah, what you mean Kasepi? Because the Sika Koso, no, but meaning, sir, given the chance, Asante Mubehu more project than any other government can do in this region. Continuation.
There were 8 years, because 8 months to go.
Let me tell you, say, there may person me say. Amanyosam development project na sika ene mmere de obeyama wo na wohwe na watumi atoa so
mfie wo twe echi mmere bi
ye beye mfie wo twe mu no ye wo mmere bi a ebeye say 2-3 years a ye de ako ade a ebinsi aban bi muda. You need to situate it. Don't take it out. Because if it had been so, and you were a year, resources dan can near me normal, and you go do sabreno. If you don't, then you are not being rational. We need to be. I was saying, making sure say near air corner as na yebeye.
Mzanvo Semadun Watche Apa no Watche home, meeting the Diana Bakofia Santi, and Mama Patricia Appiagyei, as Quamras with Dream, 1 year, Deputy Majority Leader of Nashibe Dream. You didn't come about MPP, everything. Minimsa will camp on Fuqua, tea, no more share, just so. Would you be surprised to see this video? Say, wound to me, acquire just so, would you Bonuri? Enra.
Okay.
Na ya video no hwa na ye bono tutu yes chese aduomi na almost has taken the voice no.
The implication is that what they are trying to say is that number 4 no better,
which is aduomi
and the number 4 is aduomi and omo edi na chia video no na ye hwesisi ewo bonre nti that is that nti you could see say manfo a omo atwa ho ahie nyina the 4 and edi na chia
and that is ajuso ajuso ankasa obviously an MPP stronghold to about last year election was almost 68,000 and you go there now aduomi say aduomi just on won't call for MPP and at the point in time one for Bekase aduomi had his own position.
But memfa anything pass by opponents. Opponents are not looking at Aduomi as an opponent because Aduomi there. So beto abama no because nim say
okay.
Oka MPP and oban so MPP no de beko akwa ni vote beko akọ aboa no ma to media. Some of these things, politics. Sometimes but it's not that I'm not accepting a wedding. I wouldn't say a 1 year day. But some of these things, it can be an organized thing.
MPP was Asante Region Assembly can you.
Was it?
And your concerns be as a juice.
Me see, so opponent, set the agenda say, a honey to about the microphone. And me be making sure, say, Ashanti region. Who's the phone? Okay, say we are not all mutim nobody edgema. And me baba be made muddy waters, no has it. Ama adrenaline to say na dear. And also ya another.
But this is cranko.
Was it?
And this one
call, but was actually.
Oh,
and what
is away one best actually.
Me say. Omo votes kakra.
Yes, 14,000 last time.
I'm not putting it around 100. If I look at the picture carefully, nipa wo endru 100. Eti obi abeti me aye sa ade no. But the only thing I say, you make sure me dey no na make no. Say you am factor that one in our campaign. We'll be making a very big mistake. Obi an control say you're satisfied with some of the behavioral and Niema Akoso. But at the same time, in himself, Odo party, Odono. You don't want to see because Masia 2008, Yakajiro almost a dear moyano. The Edibabani and Umpokra no be a say, President Kufu to Anamombi a bebo. But Niema Muyen is a boom. Actually, no man or Domo go. Enti niema na wo ho a ye hwehwem na ye ndwene ho yie ansana ya yesa niema no because the menam unsa me buy me first statement no say ya tena ho unfortunate say ya tena ho masa propaganda a bo kese ne ye de ababa beto asante etrim. Enti whatever it is because me no niema bia obi be catch you say we buy wa
87.9
because me constituency for instance 8 years NDC veterans so me who any progress on my road network or any other thing
and Asqua interchange
o say
Asqua
Asqua
for etwa so ma atames be wie Junction to Asqua. At least they made effort on that.
Debbie, I would accept that.
Yes.
I would accept that because apart from that, whatever it is.
87.9
Atosu market crown so
Atosu market omna yede.
I mean
what's say Atosu market omna
Atosu market.
Yeah, I'm telling you people more to vote rogu. Me come out na me MP and son or free power.
Okay.
Na me kasi so me ehunu say at a point in time canon person be diverted sikano is from the French government.
I know.
With the sikana beto order that they were delayed dying said the bay on bay and a fufian to apadi to and ye the bay. It was under my supervision, and yet they atonsu.
No, but George.
But they
contractor George.
Me name say contractor George. Yes, but it wasn't their initiative.
Whatever it is,
it wasn't their initiative.
It came under their time. Controls to time.
No, but who came into even make the distribution here?
On channel the money much better. But only see
whatever.
And they don't take it away from them.
Yes, now George, why
no, he's a contractor.
Yes, I know George.
Yes.
I know George very well. Say why you contractor? No, me petrol sabi sikada ho. Near say fire eduma no one fire eduma no. What's it?
Obitimi this scared ho.
And yam see and fan this. Can you one that MPP ababa bedi. Say one fine eduma. And this say ye bibi wo ho when na wo betumi di wo nsa siso. Na just say ebia no. When
you say mumu be at a point in time more realize this the MPP Subi former MP. No, what I suppose MP. What's the name? Eugene. But can't you say a lot is going on in MPP? As a who Eshankofu more they can say it. Not surprising to say Mumubi I believe Alan he had to look at it, but we are some Alan Kenya. The current administration led by Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo on a sweating. Niama Moka in terms of development project Asante region, the focus and attention is not there. And your politics in Tina Mumu because some of you saw it.
Yes.
Because oh, okay.
Because there may pass a statement.
Akoma
said the Biabuka Asante MPC and Casa. But here war a choir ye de faso ye kayasam. Enti said
Casa is a pamono.
And yet one nunqua. Men but I concentrated on my constituency work. But let me tell you, one of the things was you ye mum ye de beye ejuma and say Adie bi enkoyi a say ene dia ye kai say nipa we say na administration finance minister creative problems ma ye kakra enti ada ne yen hwe Ghana fo bebre kasa say ada na yen system ni yen hwe after 4 years after 5-6 years na adie bi enkoyi a onhwe na on kasa say ye kasai but the Americans anya no ntini ekodi ala echi MPP wo nenhyehyɛ wo ho a ye di ye flag bearer
okay
ye flag bearer ye yi no flag bearer bia wo nani so ade
Akoma FM
na wodi other factors wo efom ana nipa nso adwene ebeka ho na wodi decide say adewe me dem fi say your present is a candidate we ya ene betumi aboaye yera adodankwa Akufo-Addo no ye part of 17 aspirants anameboa as flag bearers ye choose ni wie o ti say ye say ye party na ye gunu because of that. It was a means. Yehuni said, and Alan has a grand transformational plan. I will introduce a beboa. Inti no but it's not solely because of say Yehu say, but idea ye de betwaso. Ama niema na ye defending nyina, and niema ka chire nyina, ye betumi aye. Eno na obiye we ne de but sadudo na say enko say dia ye chu ya wie ye nyina ya baba ko say ye beka wo you hu free mu a wo you hu free party ni mu enti obi entibi so endi wachi enti sana ade
you me your down for wo you hu free party ni
wo you hu free party ni because of this ono de still I when you convinced that the official obedi agent obedi. But sabi if you asem ebefie ni edi asem ana say asem ba ni ka sabi yes ayati so obatai ye dwunso ana ye jaye na gu sire so ye pepa ye ntwana ni free ho tebusia ye busia otiwe nyina me nyimse na busua onyimse na busua but say no officer odi abusua because of certain attitude towards him okodi abusua na chi a ne ohwehwe de amajos o man e bia wonya enti na wate no but okonsusu a ye busua ya na wo so sade ne ho ebedom na otumgi because I just for basically ye your friend is say omo ya MPP for
sure
said the wokan na MPP omo ya MPP for no ombeto Omukasa ombeto abama no no omoto ma no ha.
Akoma FM
Eba
87.9
wa
Kumasi.
mama megina na busua ni mu a de ebesie ni se December yeto aba ubehu de ebesie.
Nti ujiri sa hwe obitimanya na.
Me feel say nipa bi kasa me call very deep into the thing but matete.
Yeah.
What I say, but I have not been deeply involved in all the communities.
Yeah.
And me come for a fact to say obenya. Yes, you be ya. Yes, you be na parliament na akoso.
So ubekwa ko campaign ati adumi.
O say
Ubekwa ko campaign ati adumi.
o come busia ho so you know my friend busia ni bunti say be so me busia na be protect.
To ubekwa ko campaign ati adumi.
Na make catch say me busia na me but the me feel say e be ya ma Joseph na me or no as a personality I won't attack.
Nti die na ye ma jusu sisi e.
Jusu die omo hwehwe ni say die ye akoduro na ye nto aso after 4 years. Now 3.5 years.
Yeah.
Until the omo hwehwe ni say ye beto aso. But I have also explained say ye ba ye no the challenge is there.
FM 87.9
After 2020 and ahonchire nyina ba. Enti ye hwe na ye make sure say de ye beye ama Kumasi man Asante man Ejuso man ehu atowo mo no. Ye asunsi wo ho. Ye beye pa.
Madam Patricia Appiagyei, that's our studio. We're having an interesting conversation. And maybe I will be out here with me the messages abana yakinkai Ediama. Sir John, you run through the social media voice note or be a messages you can quickly